Hey dear, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to log in Grammarly account. Need to log into Grammarly? Here's a quick and easy guide to get you started. Go to Microsoft Store. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. Search for Grammarly in the store and click on the install button. Now, open Grammarly. Once the installation is completed, open the Grammarly app. Now the next step is signing in. You will see option to sign in. You can use your email, Facebook or Apple ID for signing process. Complete sign in. Enter your credentials and follow the prompts to sign in. And that's it. You are now successfully logged in and ready to use Grammarly. Thanks for watching.